I hope you had a great weekend. Finally, we got rid of the fog. All I was saying last week was once you got a westerly wind, it's going to push that warm air in our direction, get rid of the fog, and that's exactly what happened. Gorgeous night at Summerfest last night, and then the storms rolled in after midnight. Some downpours there, seeing a few isolated showers here locally, but look at what's off to the west, just kind of inching along through southern Minnesota and through the middle part of Iowa, where these places do not need more rain. We don't need more rain, but this is coming in our direction, and we'll pick up at least an inch, maybe 2 inches, if not isolated more overnight tonight. Under a moderate risk, meaning there is a good chance of seeing large hail, damaging winds, and of course the potential for tornadoes. We had a few last night. I would not be shocked to hear some tornado sirens going off across southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and eastern Iowa later this evening and overnight once again tonight. The sun's trying to come out just a little bit. As that happens, it gets the atmosphere even more unstable as that front and that storm system gets closer to us. Then for tomorrow, less humid, but still enough instability in the atmosphere. We could have a pop-up shower in the afternoon. If it does happen, it would be very brief, very light, more annoying than anything else. But I think from about 5 o'clock until about midnight tonight, that is our prime time to see these storms roll on through, and then things get better. By the end of the week, especially for the 4th of July, high pressure right over us, sunshine, light winds, and low humidity. And comfortable temperatures. Very nice out there. I was talking about the clearing conditions. It's been kind of a cloudy start to the day, but that blue sky starting to take over. That's going to warm things up even more, get things more unstable, and help develop those storms later this afternoon into the evening and overnight. We're already 80 degrees here in Milwaukee, also in Fond du Lac and Sheboygan, 79 in Whitewater. There is no lake effect today, or lake breeze, I should say, because that westerly wind, very strong, between 15 and 25 miles per hour, shutting the lake off, and that will begin to change by Wednesday as the winds once again become northeasterly. Around the state, though, upper 70s to lower 80s. It is also humid with dew points in the upper 60s. The real steamy air is just to the south of us, fueling those storms, but it is going to be a muggy afternoon and muggy night tonight. But then the drier air, you can already see the dew points in the 40s and 50s to the west. That moves in here for tomorrow and the rest of the week. So for Summerfest, getting a nice rest today for everybody to kind of recharge. Tomorrow, Children's Fest. It's going to be a great time out there. I think Vinny's going to be out there. Come anyway, please. 78 degrees at noon. Westerly winds at 15 to 25, so it's going to be a windy day. That's going to shut the lake off once again, so even the lakefront will be right around 80 degrees. Just that isolated chance of a shower in the afternoon, and the evening looks to be just fine. But this evening does not look fine. Stormy, in fact, as that storm system pushes on through. Just that isolated shower here for tomorrow, and the rest of the week looks to be quiet. 85 degrees, mostly cloudy. Storms developing later today. I'm thinking sometime after 5 o'clock, and then really becoming likely after 8 o'clock and up until around midnight or so. Heavy rain, at least an inch, maybe 2 inches in some locations, and even heavier amounts if you get under one of those downpours. And then the temperatures start to cool down just a little bit. 80 degrees for Tuesday, 66 on Wednesday, Thursday 68 with that northeasterly wind coming off the lake. Just a gorgeous 4th of July, sunny and 72. And the weekend right now looks to be rainy, but we'll work on that. But enjoy today's warmth as the cooler air moves in. Watch out for the storms later today. We're back after this.